Hey everyone, Michael here with Silverado LEDs. We're here to show you how to replace the tag light bulb on this 2022 Chevy Silverado, but it works on any Silverados between 2019 and 2026. Pretty easy upgrade today. You don't need any tools. Just going to need the bulbs itself. Here's what a new bulb looks like in the package, and we'll crawl underneath the truck and show you what it looks like. Here we go. Here we are under the bumper. You're going to see this opening. Once you get up in there, you're going to look to your left. You'll see a wiring harness. Grab that harness and give it a counterclockwise turn and pull back. Then you'll have the light in your hand. Simply remove that light, grab your LED light, and put it back in the opening. Once you have your new light bulb in there, insert it back in the hole and give it a clockwise turn. And that's all it takes to upgrade your stock halogens to brighter, safer LED lighting. You can get these LED bulbs and all your Silverado lighting upgrades from Silverado LEDs, where everything is built for Silverado owners by Silverado owners. We're a family-owned and operated company right here in the United States. Upgrade your Silverado today at silveradoleds.com. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest install videos, new product launches, and Silverado upgrades. And don't forget, we are built to light your way.